Jerk man out. Toy stalls out. Food stand. Car boot. So this is somebody's first grand market, and we're out just looking at how things are. Jerk man out. Toy stalls out. Food stand. Car boot. And lots of festivity. Bounce about. They block off the town center, so vehicles that weren't already in there can't come in. And activities are all over the place. That's the park. And this is this space, the event space next to the park. There's another event place behind this building as well, so there's something happening over there. And that's what the park decoration looks like. Everybody's that's coming out doing their final shopping, children having fun, and every place full. On the street out there, so pack off with vendors. Food stand, KFC still packed. Last minute making all that noise. Jerk hands up. And little picking outer road. And it's a gallivanting. Toys galore, clothes galore, and the streets are bustling. At the moment now, the time is about 9 or after 9 in the evening, and you can see the people. It's packed. And this is probably in most town centers around the country. Final run through of the sale. Whether it's food, toys, you name it. And right there we just passed this guy who is doing a game with balls. I'm sure that's not the case. A rest from all the walking, and Eliona is filling up her tank with an ice cream cone, and I'm going to do the same with an ice cream cake. It's vibrant and lively out here. And now back to this experience. And this is the downtown Manchester shopping centre. That's their display on the tower. And it has lots of parking cars, people at the food court at the back, towards the back of the shopping centre. And the busyness is still, Shoppers Fair is packed. And many of the places are open still. And people are just having fun. So hello. Walk one, pick up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad.
Welcome back to another video, Jamaica.
So yesterday we went to Eliona's first spring market, and she was able to have an experience. We're still feeling it this morning. And how did you think it went? What about it did you like? But it wasn't for you. No? You didn't like it?
I'm not going back.
You wouldn't go back again?
No.
So, what one thing, if any, that you think about it was okay, or you like this feature about it? Really?
I don't want to go back and sleep in there. Sometimes I sleep there for 25 minutes. I was living
Oh, so you would have preferred to stay home rather than to go? Okay. Well, you had an experience of it now, so you can say what it feels like or what it is, and you can make a decision about how you feel about this in the future. So, next year,
Which future?
what will you do?
I'm not going back there. That's no time to enjoy the weekend drive.
Okay. And that's fine if that's what you decide to do. So, is there anything about the night that you felt stood out, and is a memory that you're going to, a good memory that you carry forward? Okay. So, spending time is important with people that are important to you. Is that something that was good? Abby? Okay. Wow.
Because in the UK, it's just some nice calm, like Christmas music playing and sound drops and there's people there so they listen to it. It's very calm. But in Jamaica,
You didn't find it fun?
Dangerous.
So you mentioned that you feel that something was dangerous. So tell us, what is it that you found was dangerous in your assessment of it?
The fire.
Okay. The what?
Fire.
Fire? What do you mean?
They're trying to set people on fire.
What, the firecracker?
Yeah.
Okay, I do agree that the firecracker can be a little bit scary, and it has...
It hit someone's, it was going to hit someone's face, but instead it hit the Jeep instead. It's going to take them in that way, but it ended up something legit.
And it was the fact that you didn't know it was going to be constantly going off around you wherever you go.
I just thought it was some safe area that they chose to prevent the COVID everywhere you were.
Okay. So you think if there was a controlled, safe space for it, for people who want to do that, go there and do it, that would have been better? Okay. Thank you for watching. Whatever you are doing and whatever you celebrate, do have a great and safe holiday period and enjoy your celebrations.
Bye for now.
See you in the next video.